What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Beast, here to talk about something huge. We're talking about AI, artificial intelligence, and how it's changing the game for creators like you and me. AI is the secret sauce behind those viral sensations, and today, I'm going to break it down for you. We'll dive deep into how AI can help you brainstorm killer content, optimize your videos for maximum visibility, and skyrocket your chances of going viral. First things first, let's talk about what it really means to go viral. Now here's where AI comes in. Imagine a supercomputer analyzing millions of videos, figuring out exactly what makes people click, watch, and share. AI gives you the inside scoop on what's captivating audiences right now, so you can create content that's primed for virality. Alright guys, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, how AI actually helps you create viral-worthy content. Don't worry, we've all been there. That's where AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai come in handy. These AI-powered writing assistants are like having a brainstorming buddy on speed dial. They can generate catchy video titles, write engaging scripts, and even help you craft those thumb-stopping descriptions that draw viewers in. Basically, they're your secret weapon for coming up with killer video ideas that are practically guaranteed to get clicks. Creating awesome content is just the first step. You need people to actually find your videos, and that's where AI-powered SEO optimization comes in. These AI-powered platforms analyze what's popular on YouTube, identify the best keywords for your videos, and even help you write descriptions that rank higher in search results. With AI on your side, you can kiss those days of low views and zero engagement goodbye. Now you might be thinking, does this AI stuff really work? Let me tell you about a little channel called Mr. Beast. Maybe you've heard of it. Yeah, that's right. I use AI too. AI helps my team analyze which video ideas are resonating with viewers, A/B test different thumbnails to see which ones get the most clicks, and even understand what types of videos keep people glued to their screens. Okay, are you ready to unleash the power of AI on your own content? Here's a quick breakdown of how to get started. First up, you need to know what's hot and what's not, right? That's where tools like Google Trends, Exploding Topics, and VidIQ come in clutch. Once you've got your finger on the pulse of the internet, it's time to figure out what kind of content to create. AI can help you craft those scroll-stopping intros, create captivating storylines, and optimize your videos for maximum engagement. Now let's address the elephant in the room, those pesky AI myths that just won't seem to go away. Some people think AI is here to steal our jobs and replace human creativity. Let me tell you, that couldn't be further from the truth. AI is a tool, just like a camera or editing software. With human oversight and creativity, AI can help us produce some seriously engaging and high-quality content. There you have it, folks. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Remember, AI isn't just for the big players, it's for everyone. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, AI can help you level up your content and achieve viral success. Don't be afraid to think outside the box, try new things, and let AI guide you on your journey to internet fame. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and get ready to unlock your full potential with the power of AI. I'll see you in the next video.